One of the stalwarts of my beauty routine, one of the serums that I return to time and time again, is the BioEffect EGF serum. They were the first company to bioengineer a plant-based EGF, or epidermal growth factor. So the scientists at BioEffect figured out a way to create the EGF, epidermal growth factors, from barley. Epidermal growth factors are present in the skin naturally. They're a signaling protein which tell the cells to create collagen and elastin and keep our skin young, youthful, bouncy, hydrated. So the finished product is this little serum, which I love. It's only got 7 ingredients, it's super pure. It's also got hyaluronic acid and glycerin, so it's so moisturizing. That's what I always notice. Put it on before bed and the next morning my skin is still really beautifully hydrated. But the thing that's super exciting is that BioEffect have just launched the BioEffect EGF Power Serum. New product, even more powerful than the original, in the silver bottle. It's got 11 ingredients as compared to the 7 ingredients in this one, and it's even more potent. It also has KGF, keratinocyte growth factors, and NAG. Now these ingredients help with our hyaluronic acid production, also our collagen and elastin, basically teaching your skin to behave in a more hydrated, more youthful way. So I have a discount code for you store-wide across BioEffect. It's BeautyKate30 for 30% off.